Hi again, everyone. It's Vince the Coin from New York Coin Mart. I really do love doing these videos for you because I want to explain the coins to you in full detail. This is an 1878 Carson City Morgan dollar. First off, let me tell you where the coin came from. It came from one collector. He collected for 40 years. We bought his whole estate. Okay? Then they came over to my desk, and now they're going to you. We have never sent these in for grading. They've never been sent in for grading. He purchased these before grading services were even around. Okay, they're guaranteed authentic, guaranteed original. Now I want you to take a look at the picture to your left. This coin is in such amazing condition. It's in super gem, brilliant, uncirculated condition. I'm grading the coin a mid-state 65 plus coin. Now I say that because I know how strict grading services are. But if you look at that coin, we shoot the camera lens that we bought is so high powered, so high state of the art that we can get every nook and cranny in the coin. So this way there's nothing hidden. You see every single thing you would see with a loupe, if not more, with the pictures we give you. Now let me tell you, the coin is fully struck. The coin just pops right out. The devices pop right off the coin. It's like cool ice mint luster. It's like an ice skating rink. It makes me want to go grab the ice skates and zip around the coin. Look at the detail on it. Look at the clean cheek. The breast feathers are there. The devices once again pop out. It's got original luster on it. This is one of those pieces I would add to my personal collection. Now listen, I'm starting at 99 cents with no reserve. On top of that, okay, my return policy is impeccable. If you're not completely satisfied, if I somehow misrepresented the coin and you said, well, you didn't tell me that this coin wasn't shiny, right? I don't know how else I can say it. I describe them so well. The coin is beautiful. It's blowing up. It's amazing. But if you're not happy, you send me the coin back. I'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. I give my customer services great. I have immediate shipping, great feedback. I have great return policy. I need your business. And if you don't give me your business, I can't sell coins on eBay. I'm here to make you satisfied. You keep giving me business, I'll keep giving you great coins. It's a deal. Thanks so much for stopping by. Good luck bidding. God bless you.